In scenic Holmes County, the parents of 78 students at 2 elementary schools are being advised to keep their children at home because of contagious disease, even though they may not be feeling ill.
They're well at this time, and I sincerely hope that they're excluded for no good reason. There's about a week-long process to display symptoms, so these children could be ill, and we just don't know it yet.
The precautions are being taken after the health department confirmed 3 cases of whooping cough.
It does happen, but it didn't used to happen as regularly as it's happening now. I mean, we're back to, as high of rates as we had before vaccinations in some parts of the country.
The 78 elementary students who now can't come to school have either not had their immunization against the disease or their immunizations are not complete.
Parents don't make this decision just because they just don't want to take the time. They make this decision for very good medical reasons, maybe history with other children having reactions to the immunizations, or religious and cultural reasons. And with that decision, they accept the fact that when an outbreak occurs, they'll be asked to stay home.
I don't have enough of an exposure to force a quarantine or, in this setting, but I've strongly encouraged folks to stay home. Don't go out and about, parties and that kind of stuff, since your kids haven't been vaccinated.
The health department's recommendation will keep potentially exposed kids out of schools. With the holidays, it will be another 3 weeks before they can return.
I hope that's the end of it and we get back after Christmas break and this whooping cough is out of our community.